Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're having a fantastic day. This is a small Dollarama haul. I went this morning. Anyhow, um, let's see. Okay, I found these beads. They're glass beads. They're so pretty. Yeah, I got two of the same. They're how much were they? I think they were. I think they were $1 or $1.25. Not sure. Just no. I don't have the bill with me right now. Anyway, I found these were $1.25. They're they're wooden key rings. I thought those would be great. Those would be awesome to alter. There you go. I got a package of that. And I found this is a faux suede cords. Uh, I love the packaging. They come in different colors, packages with different color suede, and there's also some that have glitter on them. Anyhow, so each each one has 2.5. It's 2.5 millimeters. I think it's the width of them, and by 1.5 meters. So 1.5 meters. So a meter for converted into yards, it's like a meter is like 3 inches. It's 39 inches long. A meter is 36 inches long. So that's what that is. That's pretty cool. I found this vintage paper made by Craft Stars. That's $1.25. There's 24 sheets in here, and it's textured. So what do you call that? You can see it's embossed on this side. It's that craft paper. Anyhow, there's letter A. You get 1, 2, 3 sheets of each. And that's gold. That's also textured. You can see on the other side a little bit that it's embossed. Okay, letter B. Okay, that's the full left bit. And this one. And then you get, I love this, Damascus, I think they call that. Damascus print. And then you have it in this is pretty, like gold. And then you have this one, this print. I got one pad like that. And then I found this. It's a sketchbook. It's all black paper. It says ideal for gel pens and metallic markers. And this was I don't know, no price on it. I think it was $1.25. You have 50 sheets in here, and it's not thick, but it's nice paper. There you go. Put it here. And what else to get? Oh, and I got, they had Uniball pens, and this one is smudge free, and it's 1.0 millimeters, and this one is 0.8 millimeters. This one is a Vivid Steady ink flow, and I like using that for when I do some mixed media. Probably this one. This is up so it won't fall over. This one behind me here. This up the fall. Okay. And I also got these ballpoint pens. I like these. I keep that's just for writing. Keep these at my desk. Okay, I just put it there. And of course, I got Stray a toy. Anyhow, and I keep the cards, the backing. They make good for whatever ATCs tags. Cut them up. That's good. I just put it over here. Anyhow, that's a crinkly shark. Do 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 do. Anyhow, so that's my haul. It's a small one, and hope you enjoyed that. Leave me a comment down below if you can, and I'll see you. I'll see you soon. Ciao. Shark attack. Bye.